morning, it's Tim with Stanley Martin Custom Homes, and today we are doing a slab prep. So behind me here you can see concrete guys are here down in my foundation doing what we call the interior drain tile, which is this black corrugated pipe that runs the perimeter of the interior of our footing. And then here he is installing a sump crock. And then right behind the sump crock is the ejector crock for a hung sewer that gets installed by the plumber. So they put this drain tile around the perimeter, and then here on the side, I don't know if you can see here, there's a little green pipe down there. That is a wheat pole. So water from the exterior of your foundation comes through those wheat poles, which are about every 4 feet through your footing, and then that allows water to come to your drain tile, which has perforations in it, and then the water will make its way to your sump pump and then get pumped up and out of the house. So that is the beginning of our slab prep, and these are the concrete guys putting in the interior drain tile. This will then get followed by gravel that gets put down, and then a 6 mil poly vapor barrier, which is a 6 mil thickness clear plastic sheet, and then a welded wire mesh that goes on top of the plastic. Alright, so this is slab prep and interior drain tile install.